this is my 2005 Chevy or GMC Duramax, and I have a no crank, no start issue. Now, let's see if it doesn't. Watch, it'll probably work the first try this time. All right, so we got, yep, this key light came off, the check engine light's on, usually, but turn the key, we got nothing. Now, I'm leaning towards an ECM, but I'm kind of hoping to track down what it is. But if you keep flicking the key back and forth like this, I can never get to start usually. There, you see that? See how the glow plug light came on? Now it'll start. Yep. And sometimes you don't have to flick it that many times. Sometimes, honestly, sometimes it just works first try. But there's been times I've flicked the key back and forth for like 20 minutes and it won't start. So I just can't reliably drive it anywhere. So what I'm gonna do is, I can't really get you in there. Okay, that is the ECM right there, I do believe, and that wiring harness that lays on the wheel well there tends to get rubbed through, so I have to pull that inner liner out and check the back side of those. And then I also noticed when I was looking around that I pulled the ECM fuse, which I think is this one, and it was corroded underneath, and all these ones are corroded. So I'm gonna pull the bottom of that off, maybe, depending on how crazy it is, and seeing how those look, see if I can't just clean some stuff up and get it to work. And if that's not it, then I might try to diagnose where the electric continuity and all that ends. But I really am not proficient in finding electrical issues, so it might end up a shop issue after that, because I don't want to buy an ECM and then it not need an ECM and I still have to find something to do with it. So I'm going to start by pulling that fender liner out. So to get this off, I'm just taking the things that look like that out. I don't think I have to take this one off though. Nope. So I got like one right here, another one that was right here, another one right here, and I'm just taking the screwdriver, getting them out a little bit. Ow. How hard is one-handed? Pulling them out, and that's pretty much it. Pull that out too. Toss them in there. So I got the liner off, but I'm not really seeing any bad rubbage. There's definitely something leaking, or at least was leaking at some point. And I don't know what kind of crazy thing is going on there, but it runs down, so I don't think it's anything to do with what I'm having an issue with. Ooh, what about that? Maybe I'll have to check those ones. Oh, that goes to the bottom of the fuse panel, I do believe. Huh. Alright, well, that's my next step, is to go through these, both my hands, maybe clean them up, see if I can find anything underneath all the dirt. Alrighty, I'll give you an update here soon. I'm pretty sure I figured it out, and it's gonna have a lot of people up probably. So I was thinking I needed an ECM. Maybe I still do, I don't know. But I was down here, you know, checking all these wires, trying to clean some up. I found a broken, I don't know if you could see that, broken like little louver here. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll go to the top and try to figure out if I can figure out if there's a wire that went to that, and see if I can see a broken wire or something. So I come up here and I'm just looking around, trying to trace where it would go to, and not coming up with anything. I don't know, still don't know what it's for. I got this broken strap ground to the hood here. I was gonna try to fix that. And I was checking, I was like, oh, well, maybe I should check my battery terminals and make sure I got good power to everything. So I come over here and I go to see if the power's tight. I go to check the ground, and the ground is just hanging. Like, I touch it and it's just hanging there. Not tight at all. So I screw that in, right? I come here. Oh, well, no fucking way. Oh, and it's not it. It's not the solution. It just happened to fucking work. Damn. Alright. Excited for nothing. Alright. So it didn't end up working when I found out the ground was off. This ground was disconnected for who knows how long. It's got 2 batteries. I thought that might have fixed it, but it doesn't. And both batteries did have charge. I checked it with the voltmeter. Got 12 volts to each. So, and I can't find, I mean, this is a mess down here, don't get me wrong. It is. But I was checking out this ECM loom. I can't find anything that sticks out to me, or there's like an obvious break or wear through. So my next thing, let me show you guys this. So I've already cleaned up a couple of these. I was just hoping if I clean the fuse up it might work. This is the ECM fuse. Looks good now, but that's really easy to get in there. Let's pull a random one. Let's pull this one. I don't think I cleaned this one. Oh, that one looks good too, actually. Don't embarrass me. Alright, here we go. See, I don't know if you can tell from the GoPro camera, but that's pretty corroded. Kind of see the corrosion in there a little bit too. So I think my next step is to pull this off. And there's some wires in here too. I can see better with that cover off. I've never pulled one of these off before, but it kind of looks like I just need to get these. There's a couple clips down here. Now you're upside down. I think I gotta get these off. Maybe. Let's see. See the little notch there? Oh, it's on the tape. Yeah, there is. There's a notch. There's a little notch down there. Look, you can see it. See it? That thing? Yeah. Gotta pull this up right there. There's another one. Looks like on this side. Oh, I'm clipped in. All right, I'm gonna have to put you down. Yeah. There we go. That one's up. That one's up. There's one right here. Alright, what are we stuck on? That's something I gotta take this off. Do I? It kinda seems like it, huh? Well, ain't that just fantastic? Alright. So, looks like I'm gonna have to take these out because I'm getting stuck right here. Great. Hopefully that goes back on. All right, got it off. Just some 13mm bolts. Came off pretty easy. Looks like it'll line right back up. I was a little worried because the truck's been in an accident. So I was a little worried about that, but it looks like it'll go back on just fine. And that just pops right off this time. Yeet. Just a little cover. Ooh, yeah. We got some corrosion in here. Let's get you in here. Already off the bat, I can see that's pretty corroded. That's pretty corroded. I should probably disconnect my battery cable before I get too crazy in here. What do I got going on in here? Should I have figured out how to do this before I get too crazy? It honestly kind of looks like you just pull these, and it pops up. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna disconnect the ground. Alright. Let's continue pulling this apart. What do we got here? Just random barcode. I don't want to disconnect anything I don't have to. I'm in very unfamiliar for myself territory. Okay, so there's one right here too. Just pull that. Pull that. Come on. Alright. Okay. What else are we stuck on? These wires probably. Let's remove these yahoos. I think I already have one of these out. Ooh, tool set I got gifted. Drawers just come right out. What are you eating? My puppy's over there eating something. It's probably not supposed to. Well, what the heck? Is it a 7? No way. Not a 7. It is a fucking 7. I've never used a 7. I'm almost excited. If I wasn't tearing apart my expensive truck that I like a lot. Oh, expensive to me. Truck that I like a lot. I wouldn't care. I'd be excited to use the 7. Just ripping out my truck's endocrine system. Get out. How long do I think this screw needs to be? Does it come out? This is just ridiculous. Oh, okay, here we go. We're gonna leave it like that. I think it's still pretty corroded. Alright, I don't think there's any more 7s. Does it come up now? No, this one needs to come off for sure. We're gonna lose the 7 and try 14. I know, I get it. It's big, but it's the first one I found. Oh, don't be doing that. There we go. I'm just gonna ditch the ratchet. Pile of them over there. The ratchet. Take this off. Throw it in the little magnet. Pull that baby off. Sure, we'll put that up there too. Do we come up now? A little bit more. Oh yeah, there's really nothing under there. It looks crazy. Alright, well, I got you under here now. I think I need to get this a little bit higher up so I can see under there. I don't see anything crazy looking though. I need to get underneath this thing. Still the same. Now it's this one. I think I have a deep all of those. Nervous when I rip things off there. Damn it, to do that. Less issues is better. No more issues. La-di-da. Ooh. No. Nope. Never mind. I thought maybe that wasn't plugged in all the way, but it is. Well, if I can figure out where all these little nuts go. Let's clean this up. Ooh, did it get you? Sorry. Where is it? Don't tell me. I lost it. Nope, it's right here. Might need to get a little more aggressive. Alright, hold on. You get the steel. That's a little bit better. Oh yeah. Look at that. And it's still not shining, but spray. Oh yeah, that's cleaning up better. Kinda. Still better than it was. Get this side a little bit. Alright. Set that right there. Still got you. All three of you are still here. I think I'm gonna take that one off too. Oh, I put it back in. There it goes. Alright, what are we stuck on now? I might have to bring you guys over here. I was kind of hoping I could get this off without being too complicated, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Alright. You think the fuses have to come out? Maybe I should have looked up a video. I don't know. I'm getting a little nervous here, guys. I gotta take all the fuses out. Ooh, that looks rusty. I don't even know if they come out. Oh, oh no. I think that's bent. I think we might have to take the bottom out. I don't think we're gonna have much of a choice. That's flimsy. Woo! That's really nice. Get the soft one out. Clean it up nice. Good as new. What is this one? Let's see. Where am I? Here it is. This is number 5. What does it do? EDU. Didn't sound that important, right? That's fucking. It's fine. That's fine. Clean it up. Clean it up. Anybody want a Duramax? Asking for a friend. Okay. All right. Yeah. It's corroded really bad in there, and you can tell because of the color of this. You see that color? That's not supposed to be there. And the blue color, that's also not supposed to be there. Yep. So I think I'm gonna watch a little video on how to take this off, and then we're gonna clean that up. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one. Oh shit. See, that's why I take a picture, because I don't know which way it goes, but I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna look at the picture and then I'm gonna put it back, and then I'm gonna watch a video.